back to What We Eat Tonight. I'm Jen.
I'm Andy, and this is Billy Bob.
Yay! So it was a lazy Sunday. I was just watching a BuzzFeed video about pancakes, and then I saw this.
In fact, you don't serve syrup here, is that right?
Yeah, we are anti-syrup.
Oof, that ain't happening. Sorry, Ken. Pancakes need syrup.
Alright, let's make some pancakes. In this large mixing bowl, I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. To that, I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Give your dry ingredients a mix. Next, we're going to add an acidic ingredient that will react with the baking soda to create carbon dioxide gas, which will give the desired fluff to your pancakes. Most recipes will call for buttermilk, but if you don't have any, try using yogurt. We're adding a cup of yogurt followed by 3/4 cup of milk to adjust the consistency and wash it all in. Add 2 whole eggs and give it a whisk. Halfway through mixing, pour in 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Continue mixing, but do it so gently. This is where it's easy to go wrong. You don't want to overmix, or else you'll grind in and activate sticky gluten protein from the flour into the rest of the ingredients. This will give the pancakes a firm and chewy texture instead of a light and fluffy texture. After mixing the batter, let it rest for 30 minutes to allow the flour to hydrate and relax any gluten that was released and activated. Oh, and let's see if Billy Bob likes it. What do you think, Billy Bob? Does it have your approval? Yum 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 yum. Yep, I think he likes it.
While the batter rests, let's get some coffee going. Now let's cook up our pancakes. We're using a cast iron griddle today, but a pan would also work. I suggest using oil to grease your surface for evenly cooked, pretty looking pancakes. Butter works too, but the higher water content in butter may result in erratic cooking and uneven looking pancakes. Turn the heat to medium-low and pour out about 1/2 cup of batter onto your pan or griddle. Make sure the surface is evenly heated or your pancakes may burn. A griddle is nice, of course, because you can cook multiple pancakes at once. I think the biggest fear people have when it comes to making pancakes is knowing when to flip. When you notice the edges starting to solidify and the bubbles forming on the top, go ahead and give it a confident flip. Of course, it doesn't have to be perfect, a little unevenness gives it a nice rustic look. If you look closely, you can actually see the pancake puff up after that first flip. Cook the second side only briefly, about 1/5 as long as you cooked the first side for. Also, if you're making a bunch of pancakes, it doesn't hurt to set a timer to help estimate the timing of the first flip, assuming the heat is consistent. These boys needed about 2.5 minutes each. I'm gonna jazz up this next pancake with some mini peanut butter cups and blueberries. There are limitless toppings you can cook into your pancakes. Go ahead and add them at the halfway mark. This pancake is a bit of a chunky boy, but I bet he's gonna be delicious. Just another 30 seconds. When you're finished cooking your stack of pancakes, I highly recommend you put a lob of butter on top for extra deliciousness and aesthetics. And to make it healthier, I'm going to add some extra fruits on the side here.
And finally, the moment we've all been waiting for.
Jen likes real maple syrup, but I prefer the hyper sweetness of high fructose corn syrup.
And that is how it's done, America. Stop buying the box stuff and start making your own. If you like this video, please make sure you subscribe to our channel, give us a like or leave a comment, follow us on Instagram, share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, we'll see you back in the kitchen next time.